This thing looks horrible right now, but let me start this video by saying, yeah, this is the new truck. What we want to get started is by switching these wheels out, and then after that we're gonna get our headliner restored. Already got that out right here. Looks like crap, big hole right there, but we're gonna restore that. And last but not least, we're gonna be fixing this janky light right here. So and saying I crashed the truck or something, no, this is how I bought it. I'll throw some pictures up so you guys see that. But I managed to get it back looking somewhat nice and fitted perfectly. So yeah, let's throw the wheels on and see where we're sitting. These are 14s, these are 18s. So yeah, let's see how this rocking it like this until it's time for another change. Yep. Okay, that's how we're rocking it for right now. So I just got done pulling down the headliner and look at all of that shit. That is disgusting. That is, I don't even know what that is, but I'm about to take everything out right now and clean this shit up. Okay, now that we got it out successfully, I'm gonna rip all this shit off right here and bring this inside and clean it up real nice. Okay, so the headliner is done, and I gotta say, it look way better. The wheels are on, the truck's coming together just fine. I feel like, yo, this is where I want it, and I feel like this should be it for right now. Alright, so just like every other headliner video, I'm cleaning up all this old gooey stuff. Sorry for the condition of my hands right now, but yeah. I'm cleaning up all this old gooey stuff, clean it up real nice, spray the adhesive, and then put the freaking thing right over it. So I just got done putting on the wheels. Now I'm trying to get the headliner done. We have it all on the ground. There's a big ass rat hole in it. I think there was a rat nest in the truck, but that's not there anymore. But we got everything down. Got the supplies right here. This is what I'm about to be wrapping the headliner with. In other hands, card over here. And his sexy ass G35. Put you guys on a time lapse, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. So just got done with this. Messed up right here, using too much glue, made it wet, it went right through, and also over here. But apart from those two minor mistakes, it looks amazing. It's gonna look so freaking nice in here. Still gotta clean up all of this shit, but yeah, let's hit it right now. Clean this bitch up. Finish this thing up, throw it in there, and we should be done. I already fixed the janky light right here, so everything is now sturdy. So yeah, pretty much banged out everything. The truck is sitting nice on the Titan wheels. These are 18 by 8s, I believe. And I just slapped some 215/40 on them. It's rubbing a little bit, but yeah, that'll go away. But for right now, perfect. I'm gonna clean this thing up and fill this in, and we're gonna call it a day. Headliner is done. I gotta say, it looks amazing. I'm sorry I didn't post like a before video, but shit, it looks so much better. Yeah, I could definitely get used to this. It makes the interior look so much cleaner. I'm not gonna go too crazy on this truck. I feel like how it sits right now is, it's okay for me. And I feel like it looks perfect. The Civic is coming along too. We just got finished wet sand and we just have to buff it. So when we're done buffing, I'm gonna show you guys the finished product and it should turn out immaculate. So stay tuned for that and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one.